Hello, my name is Jan Chandra, and today we're going to talk about an Abbotsford B lender case study to see the benefits of the mortgage for the applicants. The purchase price is 1 million, the down payment 250,000, 75% is the loan to value, 750,000 is the mortgage amount, 4.5% the interest rate, 5-year term, 30-year amortization, 3,781.62 is the monthly payment, 560 is the credit score, there is collections that were recently paid off, an annual income of 90,000 that is not expected to increase drastically for the clients, debt ratios of 69.97%, and a B lender at this point is the best option because the clients won't really be able to have enough equity to qualify with an equity program for the next 4 to 5 years. So this is the best solution based on the limited income, the bruised credit, and the ability of the clients at this point. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.